of us, when we go out into the market and buy perfumes, we do not know the difference between EDT, EDP, perfumes, and other body mist which are available in the market.
What are these things?
Exactly. See, आपको भी नहीं पता है ये चीज़. So body mist, it is all mostly water based. इसमें perfume का concentration, oil का concentration is very less. It is 3 to 5% only in
Okay.
body mist. Because आप अगर body mist देखोगे तो it doesn't stay for long. It is mostly water based. Now coming to EDT, 5 to 10% oil concentration होता है. आपको 2 घंटा stay करेगा. Then coming to normal perfumes जो available है market में, it has 10 to 15% oil concentration and will stay maybe 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours maximum. जो हम बनाते हैं, these are perfumes. It has 25 to 30% oil concentration. So we have
Wow.
made sure that the perfume that you use from our brand will last for 6 to 8 hours. And the market is growing by 15 to 20%. So
Year on
by
year?
2030 year on year it is, because like I said, आप perfumes नहीं use कर सकते हो, but perfumes is a lifestyle change which you should adapt to. आज जो आप क्लास 10-11 में कपड़े पहनते थे वो अब नहीं पहनते हो ना. यू हैव शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम नॉर्मल टी शर्ट्स टू पोलो टी शर्ट्स टू कैजुअल शर्ट्स. लाइकवाइज अपग्रेडिंग योर परफ्यूम और कमिंग फ्रॉम डिओड्रेंट्स टू परफ्यूम इज ऑल्सो अ लाइफस्टाइल चेंज. For a brand, it is very important that you keep evolving with the mindset of the people, so that you cater to the mass. आपको तो भाई revenue लाना है ना, आपने जो investment किया है. It is very important that either you are a class brand or a mass brand or somewhere in between जहाँ आप evolve हो रहे हैं.
Our sense of smell is one of the most powerful human experiences. It can transport you to a place you have never been, bring back a memory you thought you had lost, or make you feel like the person you have always wanted to become. That is the power of smell. In today's episode, we have the founder of a perfume brand with us. We will cover all about her journey and her experiences of the perfume market in India. We will also learn about how this market has evolved over the years. So watch this episode till the end and let me know your views in the comments. Namaste and very warm welcome to you, Gunjan ji, to our podcast. So पहले शुरू करते हैं कि आप कैसे हो ये बताओ.
एकदम ठीक. And I'm very thankful to you
Thank you.
to call me here to your podcast, and I'm very very happy and excited to be here.
It's wonderful to have you first of all. Let's start with very basic. Let's start to get to know about you and where you come from, how did you start your brand and what inspired you basically. So you can start with little bit telling about yourself.
So, I am Gujarati. Okay.
Wow.
So,
Gujaratis are everywhere.
yes, business हमारे blood में चलता है. So, I'm born and brought up in Calcutta. I'm a chartered accountant, and not getting very deep into that, but yeah. About this brand, this started almost 6 months ago. बहुत दिन से मन में ये चल रहा था कि कुछ खुद का करना है, बिकॉज गुजराती के खून में हमेशा यही
रहता है.
खुद का करना है, खुद के पैसे कब तक दूसरों के लिए काम करोगे.
बिल्कुल.
So why a perfume brand? Because there is a gap in between the luxury brands and एकदम जो कम प्राइस में होते हैं. So someone had to bridge the gap in between.
Right.
So in India nowadays brands are coming up जो कि luxury perfumes भी देते हैं but at a very reasonable cost. So that idea struck and Milaya Fabians started.
So what would be the right nomenclature? Is it fragrance is the right word or the perfume is the right word? What is the right word?
So just to give you a background, fragrance is the umbrella. Perfume just एक product category है. So I would just want to say that Miraya is a fragrance brand and not a perfume brand.
Okay.
Because we have recently come up with scented candles also, attar also and bath salts also.
So fragrance के अंदर बहुत सारे products आ
That's
जाते
good.
हैं.
Fragrance is something which smells nice.
Right.
Perfume just एक product category हो गया and not a big umbrella. Fragrance is the universe.
So you are a fragrance brand. You are trying to launch other products as well other than perfumes.
Right, correct. We are getting into other products. Just starting with it.
इंडिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे आज देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे नीश ब्रांड्स भी जैसे आप लोगों का ब्रांड है. देयर आर मेनी न्यू ब्रांड्स दैट आर कमिंग अप, राइट? सो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद कि आपका टॉप 3 प्रोडक्ट्स क्या है, वो जानना है मुझे,
See,
और क्यों वो टॉप 3 प्रोडक्ट्स में आता है.
right, exactly. See, when we launched Mirayana, we just started with perfumes in the beginning. So we had started with, naming our perfume as this is a male perfume, this is a female perfume. But then we realized कि जो लोग खरीदने आ रहे हैं हमारे पास, they are not categorizing the perfumes.
अच्छा.
So
Oh, that's
females are
surprising
liking,
actually.
हाँ, the females are liking the male perfumes and males लोगों को floral वाली smells पसंद आती है. So then we said कि नहीं, हम इसको categorize नहीं करते हैं.
Okay.
So we made it into unisex. सारा unisex है भाई, जिसको जो पसंद आ रहा है वो लेके जाओ.
But there are some brands na which are mainly for female, and there are some brands which are mainly for. What is the means? ये mindset कहाँ पे fit होता है कि you should go with the unisex brand because of your customer experience or any market research you have done?
This is because, being a new brand, being new into business, it is very difficult to, take a notion of the market predictability.
Right.
But we went out into the market.
Exactly.
जब हमने exhibitions लगाए, ठीक है, and when we, distributed our perfumes, between our friends and family, we got to know कि perfumes को unisex रखना ही सही है. Out of personal experience also, I always use male perfumes. I have been using male perfumes since years. Since the day I started using perfumes, I've been using
Yeah,
male
that is
perfumes.
true for many women also. I have seen that they specifically go towards male perfumes. And why is that?
See, जो परफ्यूम का जो हिस्ट्री है ना, why do you use perfumes? ठीक है, अब जैसे वो सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन एंड सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड वो सब आ गया. पहले क्या था? पहले ये था कि परफ्यूम्स वर यूज्ड बिकॉज जो सामने वाला पर्सन है उसको अच्छा लगे. बिकॉज यू डू नॉट गेट टू स्मेल योर ओन परफ्यूम.
Right.
आप जब परफ्यूम लगाओगे, आपको 10-15 मिनट बाद लगेगा मुझे तो स्मेल ही नहीं आ रहा. दैट इज द नोशन. Because it gets mixed into your skin and into your own body. जो स्मेल होती है उसमें मिक्स हो जाता है आपका परफ्यूम.
So this brings me to the question कि how healthy is it to mix with the skin? Is it?
See, perfumes हम लोग हमेशा ही बोलते हैं apply into your clothes,
Okay.
not to the skin. This is not attar. Attar आप essential oil होता है पूरा ही. So you use it into your skin, it is okay. But alcohol and other additives भी होते हैं perfumes में. So we do not suggest कि आप उसको skin पे use करो. Perfumes clothes के लिए, उसको clothes के लिए use करो.
Right.
बॉडी मिस्ट वगैरह आता है वो आप बॉडी पे यूज करो. बट ऑल्सो आफ्टर रीडिंग कि क्या क्या
ingredients है,
यू
right.
नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू यूज इनटू योर स्किन. सो वी नेवर बैंड इट कि आप अपने इसको स्किन पे यूज करो. कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन कि कौन से 3 फेमस या नोट परफ्यूम्स हैं हमारे ब्रांड के. वन इज ब्लश रश जो फ्लोरल फ्रेग्रेंस है.
Okay.
One is dark nectar, which is again fruity plus, spicy वाला feeling देता है आपको. Another one is Irish allure, which is oud. I'll also show you these.
Yes, please.
These are the fragrances.
Wow.
Our
Can I
top
have a
3.
look?
Yeah, sure. This is the floral one.
This one is the
Floral one.
floral. Okay. Flower is
Yeah,
drawn in
flower.
the package.
And why do you not want to buy this beautiful
Yes,
packaging?
this is a beautiful
Full
packaging.
floral.
Yes. And
This
this
is
one
the
is
fruity plus spicy one. Very
Okay.
ideal for night parties and
this one, right?
Yeah, dark nectar. This is Irish allure, oud based perfume. मतलब जिनको oud पसंद आता है.
What is the name you said again?
Irish allure.
Irish. Okay, I will
Allure.
not try to pronounce that. So this,
So these are fragrances जो हमारे top 3 है.
I must say your packaging is very wonderful. Yes.
Thank you so much. So वही है, but I would not still categorize them because देखो किसी लोगों को फ्रूटी पसंद आता है, किसी को फ्लोरल पसंद आता है, किसी को मस्क पसंद आता है, किसी को एक्वा पसंद आता है. So but these are the top selling perfumes of our brand.
Of your brand. Okay, that you mentioned about Attar, right? So Attar के बारे में हम जब भी बात करते हैं, then we have to speak about Kannauj, UP, which is the largest and which was the largest actually and the oldest perfume market of India. लेकिन मैं पॉडकास्ट के बारे में जब मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था परफ्यूम ब्रांड, सो आई केम अबाउट ए फैक्ट दैट ड्यूरिंग 1990s जब ये लिबरलाइजेशन हुआ था, then Kannauj factories and all the industries, perfume industries, saw a major setback because of the low cost alcohol based perfumes coming up in the market. So my question leading to you is that, do you source your products from India or Kannauj specifically, or why is Kannauj very special?
See, Kannauj is a very special place, all for people who are into fragrances. Okay? But for our perfumes, we source the oils from France, which are imported into Calcutta, and then we mix it with other additives and everything.
Okay.
However, Kannauj for others is a beautiful place, and जो नए brands हैं, उनके लिए कॉस्ट वाइज कन्नौज इज वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है, एकदम इकोनॉमिकल जगह है वहां से. एंड ऑब्वियसली इंडियन हेरिटेज को आगे बढ़ाना इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑलरेडी. इफ समथिंग इज गेटिंग फेसिंग अ सेटबैक, we should always try to bring it back into picture, especially when जब अभी Instagram, Facebook and everything की marketing आप किसी भी चीज की करो Instagram पे, Facebook पे, it just has to go viral and your product is एकदम करोड़ों लोग आपके प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं. So why not indulge in something which is of India?
Right.
So we are also getting into this. हम लोग भी अब अत्तर्स बनाना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
Wow, nice.
And we are also trying कि हम लोग Indian based products ही use करें.
Attar is also not very harmful to the skin, yes, right? Because it is made of oil, right?
Oil, it is essential oil, पूरा ही oil है, उसमें कुछ भी mix नहीं होता. You use it into your skin. People also use it for भगवान जी के लिए भी use करते हैं गर्मी के टाइम
पूजा के टाइम में.
Right, exactly. And rose and chandan specifically, it gives such a beautiful fragrance and it stays longer.
Pleasant fragrance and not
Pleasant
not very hard भी नहीं है उतना.
Right, आपको तुरंत लगेगा नहीं.
लगेगा नहीं, हाँ.
So we are also, Attar is in the pipeline for us. So we are also getting into Attars.
So these Attar oils are extracted from flowers and fruits and vegetables. This from natural substances,
sources.
leaves. हाँ. तो आप वैसे ऑर्डर कैसे रिसीव करते हैं? आपका इंस्टाग्राम पेज तो मैंने देखा है. So do you have any website or you are receiving orders in Instagram only?
Viraya started with just an Instagram page. ठीक है.
Okay.
And website is in the pipeline. We are getting into that. Maybe when we complete 1 year in October, our website will be launched, or maybe before that also as a surprise for all our customers.
So how do customers connect with you? They DM you or?
Yeah, they DM us.
Okay.
So recently we got an order from Andaman and Nicobar.
Wow.
So that came as a surprise to us, and that also shows how Instagram is so strong. We had put up an exhibition in one of the places. That person had seen the reel of the organizer of that exhibition, जिसने हमारा परफ्यूम खरीदा था, and he had ordered after seeing that reel.
Wow, that is the power of social media. You can reach anywhere in the
Very
world.
strong, and आपका Instagram presence is very much important nowadays because आधा business तो आपका वहीं से होता है.
Instagram में होता है.
Instagram के थ्रू ही होता है. Plus, how do people connect to you? जैसे मैंने बहुत सारी fragrance pages या maybe any other pages also which run only on online basis. मैंने देखा है people do not come up to the screen. They only market their products.
Right.
But मुझे लगता है कि when you come into your page now, your page comes into life.
I agree with you totally.
मतलब
It becomes alive.
Exactly, because people do not connect. आज परफ्यूम ऐसी चीज है जहाँ पे ना लोग परफ्यूम, भाई मैं किसी को स्मेल नहीं करवा सकती परफ्यूम
इंस्टाग्राम से तो नहीं हो सकता.
Either they go with the packaging and buy my perfume, or either they trust me and then buy the perfume.
Right.
So वो human to human connection के लिए वो Instagram में presence आपका या Facebook पे presence or any other social media platform also it is very much necessary, because human to human connection ना कितना भी आप
You cannot replace it.
कर लो, that is irreplaceable.
Right.
एक कितना भी packaging में अच्छा कर लो,
वो
If
connection
people-
बनेगा ही
right. If people do not trust me, why will they buy my product?
नहीं. Right. So I want to know from you, since you are in this and you have done a lot of market research and you have studied a lot maybe about perfumes. I want to know basically how perfumes are made. What is the process for the alcohol based perfumes, how the perfumes are made, how do you source the ingredients, how do you do that?
Right. So इसमें ना बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Most of us when we go out into the market and buy perfumes, we do not know the difference between EDT, EDP, perfumes and other body mist which are available in the market.
What are these things?
Exactly. See, आपको भी नहीं पता है ये चीज. So body mist ना, it is all mostly water based. इसमें परफ्यूम का कंसंट्रेशन, ऑयल का कंसंट्रेशन इज वेरी लेस. इट इज 3 to 5% ओनली इन
Okay.
बॉडी मिस्ट. बिकॉज आप अगर बॉडी मिस्ट देखोगे तो इट डजंट स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग. इट इज मोस्टली वाटर बेस्ड. नाउ कमिंग टू EDT, 5 to 10% ऑयल कंसंट्रेशन होता है. आपको 2 घंटा स्टे करेगा. ठीक है. देन कमिंग टू नॉर्मल परफ्यूम्स जो अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, it has 10 to 15% oil concentration and will stay maybe 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours maximum. जो हम बनाते हैं these are perfumes. ठीक है. It has 25 to 30% oil concentration. So we have made sure that the perfume that you use from our brand will last for 6 to 8 hours.
Wow, nice.
And ये हम लोग ना प्रॉपर रिसर्च के बारे बता रहे हैं.
Okay.
Because by launching this product, we launched this product last October. So you know how Calcutta is during the Durga Pujas. पूरा भीड़ है, कहीं पैर रखने की भी जगह नहीं होती है. So to launch, before launching the product, we wanted to test it ourselves.
Okay.
So me and my husband, we applied the perfumes. We went out to see the Durga Pujas for the goal night.
So you wanted recommendations.
Recommendations plus I also wanted to see कि जो बोल रहे हैं कि ये स्टे करता है 8 घंटा, कि ये एक्चुअली भी स्टे करता है. बिकॉज अगर मुझे ही ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा कि ये 8 घंटा स्टे करता है तो मैं
then
किसी और को
you will not sell it.
कॉन्फिडेंटली रिकमेंड भी नहीं करूंगी कुछ चीज. एंड वी आर नॉट अ ब्रांड जो ऐसे ही बेच देगा, भाई ले लो 8 घंटा टिक जाएगा, बाद में आके वो मुझे इंसान बोला भाई ये तो 3 घंटा भी नहीं चलता है. So we launched it after testing it on ourselves, and we went out for the Durga Pujas. Okay, we roamed around the whole night. Next morning, our clothes were still smelling of that fragrance.
Wow.
So it
Means why perfume stays so long? Because you use a much higher percentage of oils.
oil. Because जितना higher oil concentration होगा ना, उतना आपका जो स्मेल है वो ज्यादा
रहेगा.
ऑब्वियसली अल्कोहल एंड अदर थिंग्स आर मिक्स्ड इनटू इट, वरना वो जो स्टे है आपका थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. बट जितना ज्यादा ऑयल कंसंट्रेशन उतना ज्यादा आपका वो स्टे करेगा.
And what other marketing tools you use other than Instagram? Do you use anything else?
वी यूज फेसबुक
Okay.
एंड
Facebook and Instagram to same.
फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, website is into. But see,
You are attending a lot of exhibitions also, right?
we are attending a lot of exhibitions. जो भी exhibitions हो रहे हैं अभी, since it is the first year of our brand, we are more into कि लोग हमारे ब्रांड को पहचाने.
Interaction is
Exactly.
important.
And because we also want to know the feedback. देखिए, we gave it to our friends and family, we got a response. But जो एक stranger से आपको response मिलेगा ना, straightforward, blunt response.
True. Very
That
true.
is very much necessary. वो feedback बहुत necessary है. So we are making it a point that whatever exhibitions are happening, good exhibitions where there's a good footfall, plus there are people coming who will give us a good feedback also and a straightforward feedback.
Okay.
We want to make people feel the presence of Miraya fragrances. And just to tell you a story about this, हम लोग अभी recently just a month back हमने एक exhibition लगाया था. So 2-3 people came up, youngsters only.
Okay.
And ऐसे करके मेरे स्टॉल को देखे and they saw the brand name and they were like, I have seen this. And I was like, कहाँ देखा? बोलते हैं Instagram. हम बोले wow, my marketer is doing a good
Good
work.
job. हाँ.
अगर that makes a difference because first year में brand लोगों का तो नाम पहचानना बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी
And
है.
until unless you make that presence कि नहीं भाई हम हैं, मिराया एग्जिस्ट करता है मार्केट में, तब तक लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा. इंस्टाग्राम इज डूइंग इट्स ओन वर्क बाय गेटिंग इनटू पीपल्स फीड, बट जो मेरा लाइव प्रेजेंस है that is
You are getting the affirmation from the customers, ना?
exactly. जब को लोग आगे बोलते हैं ना, अच्छा हमें तो ये देखा हुआ है, तब that is a very good feeling and then people will trust you. आप जितना ज्यादा दिखोगे उतना ज्यादा बिकोगे.
That builds your confidence also, no? The customers are noticing, finally able to notice our brand, builds your confidence.
And for the first year, achieving this is a very big thing, I feel. मतलब देखिए, there are brands in the market who are doing very good in the first year, you know, having founders who already have a background of perfumes.
Right.
There are many, you know, perfume brands coming up. There are many launched in this year itself who are earning in crores. But coming from a background which is not a business background for us, and which is this perfume thing is a very new thing for
New
us.
for you.
ये हमारे लिए अचीव करना कि नहीं भाई हमने तो ये नाम सुना हुआ है, इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग.
Very big thing, yeah.
Sales will come
Hmm.
since people are trusting our brand. But ये जानना कि लोग आपको पहचान रहे हैं because we are appearing in our Instagram pages through reels and everything. So that is a very big achievement for us.
Then what is the price range of your products?
So going into the price range, we are starting for 500 rupees. Okay. We also have less than that, but those are very small bottles. Travel perfumes like the one which I showed here. This one. This one is a 15 ml bottle which sells for 249 rupees only.
Okay.
So this you can keep it handy in your bags and everything. We have the 50 ml version of this which is selling for 990.
This one is 15 ml, right?
This is 15 ml. We also have 50 ml. We have also launched a more, you know, luxurious version than the already ones. Those are selling for a little higher price. So it is ranging from, you can say, not 500 also, less than that. 250 rupees to 1500.
So 1500 is the highest ceiling of your price. Okay. So you were somewhere in between, not the very premium segment and not the very mass production segment.
Haan.
So you are catering to the mass production as well. You have 250, 500.
Like I said in the beginning, we are trying to bridge that gap. ठीक है?
Right.
Because what I have seen, see, I was a very, you know, like I would say, मुझे perfumes बहुत पसंद है.
अच्छा.
And I'm very particular about the fragrance which I like. So I have spent, मैंने 100-200 रुपए वाले भी वो जो पहले आते थे, you know, वो भी लिए हैं. And मैंने 10,000 वाले भी perfume use किए.
अच्छा.
But after using the 200-300 वाला perfume, मैंने ये realize किया भाई ये तो 1 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं टिकेगा. 10,000 वाला परफ्यूम का ना पैकेजिंग बहुत ही अच्छा था. मतलब वंडरफुल, मतलब देखते ही ऐसे लोगों को पसंद आ जाए वैसा वाला. स्मेल वंडरफुल, बट दैट आल्सो डिडंट लास्ट फॉर मोर देन 4 hours. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू विश दैट गैप.
तो मुझे जानना है कि ये जो मिराया जो नाम है, ये नाम कहाँ से आया और मतलब क्या है मिराया वर्ड का? कोई मतलब है?
मिराया, सी, इफ यू लुक इनटू गूगल या आप चैट जीपीटी से पूछोगे तो आपको बताएगा कि ये मीरा जो कृष्ण भगवान की डिवोटी थी, वहां से नाम आया है. इट मीन्स एडमिरेशन. ठीक है. बट व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड दिस ब्रांड, इट ओनली स्टार्टेड विथ कि मिराया मीन्स एडमिरेशन. ठीक है. बाद में हमने चैट जीपीटी में देखा कि इसका मतलब ये भी होता है कि मीरा जी भी है जो कृष्ण की डिवोटी है. सो अब हमेशा ये बोलते हैं कि it is an admiration that we have for our brand and what would people will also have for the brand.
Miraya word has any meaning or is it coming
it is
from
admiration.
And in any language, in your mother tongue or any other language?
It is normal English. संस्कृत से थोड़ा डिराइव हुआ है मीरा. या कर दो उसको. तो बच्चों का भी नाम रख सकते हैं. हमने सोचा हमारा पहला बच्चा है तो इसका नाम यही रख देते हैं.
So, एक जो आपने बोला कि you want to bridge the gap between this premium, very premium segment and this mass production segment. एक बीच में somewhere you are located in between. So one other thing that comes up with this is you are accepting your orders in Instagram online.
Right.
So 30% of all the perfume sales in India comes from online. So there is a huge segment of customers, which is a huge 70% who still prefer to go to stores to try out perfumes. So how do you communicate through social media or your posts? How do you communicate smell that it will stay longer or your product stays apart from the other products? How do you communicate the smell or how do you communicate in general your qualities?
See, like I said, लोग ना जैसे 30% people like you said, I would say even less than that are going to stores and buying perfumes.
30% are going buying from online mediums.
Online, अच्छा.
Yes.
But I feel more than that. Because अभी जो जनरेशन आ रही है ना, वो मॉल में घूमने के लिए जाएगा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मासेस हियर एंड नॉट ऑफ द क्लासेस. वो ना घूमने जाएगा तो वो मॉल्स में आपको नहीं मिलने वाले हैं 1,000 रुपए के परफ्यूम्स.
मॉल्स में जो भी जाते हैं 1,000 रुपए का परफ्यूम खरीदेंगे सोच के, तो वो सोचेंगे, वो क्यों जाते हैं कि दे वांट टू ट्राई इट आउट फर्स्ट, दे वांट टू चेक द स्मेल एंड दे वांट टू इंटरैक्ट.
Exactly.
After that, they want
exactly.
to buy.
So that is why we have an online presence also. Plus, you can always come to us at the exhibitions. We have people. जैसे अभी recently हमने एक बंगाली न्यू ईयर के पहले एक एग्जीबिशन लगाया था. A girl had come up to us somewhere who was between the age of 20-25. She had come up to us. She bought a perfume for us, and उन्होंने हमको Instagram में DM किया फिर कि do you have something in jasmine?
Wow.
So जिनको खरीदना है, जिनको समझ है परफ्यूम की कि मुझे ये फ्रेग्रेंस पसंद है, या जिनको इतनी भी समझ है कि मुझे फ्लोरल पसंद है, या मुझे फ्रूटी पसंद है, या मुझे एक्वा पसंद है,
they will come back.
They will come back. And we are very sure of that. Because that is what our experience has been. कि लोग वापस आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. And why are they coming back to us? Because somewhere they are trusting us. They are trusting our brand. कि नहीं, जो हम स्मेल बोल रहे हैं. And to tell you, मैं जो करती हूँ during exhibitions, I actually judge people's personality जब वो आते हैं, the way they talk. So I recommend them perfumes
according to their needs.
Exactly. मतलब मुझे जैसे लगा कि कोई somewhere a girl in between the age of 20-25 is coming up to me and she's saying, so I would say if she's a very bold girl, ठीक है, she would like something with musk. Or something fruity which has a strong smell, or something with oud.
That's interesting. Right? Because people use perfumes according to their personalities, how they
exactly. Because perfumes, clothes and perfumes, वो ना आपकी personality है.
Right.
ठीक है, एक बार देख के कोई भी हो, कितना भी लोग बोल दे कि मैं आपको जज नहीं करती हूँ या आई एम नॉट वेरी जजमेंटल, people do judge you with your clothes.
Don't share it.
Exactly. They do not bring it into picture. But clothes and how you smell is very important. So above 30 के जैसे लोग आते हैं तो we know कि they have already their mind settled कि उनको जो fragrance पसंद है ना, वो उसी fragrance में जाएंगे. But with the youngsters, with the Gen Z particularly, they want to try out new things. So right. We give them perfumes which are strong, which suits their personality. So ये I think and I have been very correct about all my judgments कि मैं जिसको जो recommend करती हूँ ना, लोगों को वो पसंद आता है. So I think वहाँ से वो जो offline presence है ना हमारी, that will soon turn into the online presence and that will lead to trust of the people and the customers also.
How important is packaging आपके हिसाब से? परफ्यूम, दिस इज ए लाइफस्टाइल ब्रांड ना, तो पैकेजिंग आपके लिए शुरुआत में आपको कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा? पैकेजिंग, हाउ डिड यू कम अप विद द पैकेजिंग एंड डिसाइडेड दैट यू विल स्टिक टू दिस पैकेजिंग एंड व्हाई यू चूज दिस पैकेजिंग?
The struggle is too much to come at the right packaging कि नहीं भाई ये चीज़ ये बॉटल में स्टिक करेगी कि नहीं, ये स्टिकर स्टिक करेगा कि नहीं, या वी शुड गो विद द एम्बेडिंग ऑन द बॉटल इटसेल्फ, या हमें सिल्वर कैप के साथ जाना चाहिए या गोल्डन कैप के साथ जाना चाहिए, विच विल लुक गुड विथ विच फ्रेग्रेंस, राइट? दैट वाज अ रियल स्ट्रगल एंड टू टेल यू वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग विथ आवर पैकेजिंग. देयर इज नॉट अ फुल स्टॉप नहीं है. वी हैव टू कीप इवॉल्विंग,
राइट?
एंड इसमें ना हमारे कस्टमर्स हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. दे रेकमेंड अस, प्लस और भी बहुत लोग हैं जो हमें recommendations देते हैं, and we try, and bring it into life. जैसे we are working with our packaging as of now also. Every day is a new day to work with the packaging. Because आपको कोई recommendation मिलता है, आप ज़रूर ही try करना चाहोगे कि whether that works for you or not. It is not that every recommendation will work, but somehow, somewhere if it clicks, तो वो आप बेस्ट पैकेजिंग पे पहुंच जाओगे.
राइट. तो आई सॉ दैट द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू लॉन्च इन द बिगिनिंग, all the products you have used dark colors,
right?
Mostly black or dark brown,
black and golden, right? So that is our theme basically.
Okay.
Black and golden ke sath we are trying to stick to that is what our brand represents. Black and golden, a perfume which is bold, but which will mix with your personality. आप देखोगे मोस्टली आई एम अ पर्सन हु प्रिफर्स ब्लैक क्लोथ्स टू मच.
Okay.
मुझे जाते मैं शॉपिंग करने जाती हूँ, मुझे ब्लैक कपड़ा पसंद आ ही जाता है.
Oh, that's why you choose this. Miraya is also
Right.
written in your
See,
t-shirt.
I'm wearing my brand today, black and golden.
Okay.
So, black na it resembles with too many people around the world. So we wanted something जो सबके साथ resemble करे.
Okay.
Like you know, black and white सब चीज के साथ चला ही जाता है. You know, neutral colors mix हो ही जाएगा. Plus, we also wanted to show that we are a bold brand.
Okay.
There are too many people in the market, too many perfumes in the market, but we'll stand out for sure.
Right. That's a beautiful answer. And the recent one product that you have just shown me, it is a very light color. So what you are trying to convey with this
See,
color?
that is a 15 ml perfume which I had shown you. For the 50 ml perfumes, we are sticking to black and golden. For the 15 ml ones, we are trying कि थोड़ा लोगों के लाइफ में कलर्स भी आ जाए. Because we wanted कि 15 ml का ऐसा पैकेजिंग होना, because since these are very small packaging जो आप अपने पर्स में पॉकेट्स में कैरी करोगे, तो we wanted कि तुरंत लोगों के नजर में आए. ठीक है, ब्लैक एंड गोल्डन विल मर्ज.
Okay.
बट वी वांटेड कि जो वो फ्रेग्रेंस है, इफ इट इज अ फ्लोरल फ्रेग्रेंस, तो उसकी पैकेजिंग वैसे हो. बट यू विल सी दैट हमारी 15 ml की पैकेजिंग में भी गोल्डन इज देयर, दैट शाइन इज देयर.
Why gold? Why gold? Because gold
Shine out.
represents
Shine out. Be there and shine out.
because gold represents wealth, maybe that's why. Or gold, people can relate to gold as something
Nahin,
that is
This
aspirational. Huh?
aspirational also, and plus it will आपको तुरंत नजर में आएगा. वो जो गोल्ड फॉइलिंग हम लोग अपनी पैकेजिंग पे करते हैं ना, आपका तुरंत नजर जाएगा उस पे.
अच्छा.
सो वी डिड नॉट वांट कि कोई इग्नोर करे हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को. तुरंत नजर जानी चाहिए.
Because वो gold shines ना, but
रिफ्लेक्शन की वजह से वो आपको
reflection की
दिखेगा.
वजह से. अच्छा, that's why you choose, and gold stands out better in black. Wow, that's very good. So why is it important to people to smell good? To give you an example, I never use perfumes because I bath every day.
ओके, ये कॉलेज में यूज करते थे हम लोग. नहाना नहीं है, सुबह 6 बजे वाली कॉलेज में परफ्यूम लगा के चले जाओ.
So why is it important to smell good? Because I think like I already smell, I feel
Very
like I
nice.
smell good, so
Huh.
I prefer, I don't even use deodorants, or I am fine.
You're fine with the soap or
Yes.
the bath soap that you are using.
Yes, bath soap is well enough for me.
ठीक है. I'll give you an example for that. You are wearing a black shirt. ठीक है. अब अगर मैं आपको रेकमेंड करूं कि आप ब्लैक नहीं, आप पर्पल कलर की शर्ट पहनो, ठीक है, एंड आप वो पर्पल शर्ट की कलर की शर्ट पहन के बाहर जाओ, ठीक है.
वो डिपेंड करेगा कि मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ, उस हिसाब से.
समझ लो आप एक शादी में जा रहे हो, विच इज अ नाइट शादी, ठीक है. I recommend you a purple shirt. You go out with that and you receive too many, compliments for that. अच्छा लगेगा ना आपको?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
एकदम अच्छा लगेगा ना? वैसे ही हम recommend करते हैं. Likewise, it is very much important. As soon as you look good, it is very important for you to smell good also. So it is about कि आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है when you apply that perfume. Like I said in the beginning, perfumes actually थे so that the other person who's in front of you feels good. उनको अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है आपसे. अब समझ लो ना, खाना बन रहा है, आपकी मम्मी किचन में खाना बना रही है.
But what if I already smell good?
नहीं, परफ्यूम्स वाली स्मेल आप बॉडी स्मेल से नहीं कंपेयर कर सकते.
कंपेयर होगा,
वो कंपेयर हो ही नहीं सकता है. अब मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ, आप वहां बैठे हो, अगर आपने अच्छा परफ्यूम लगाया है तो आई कैन स्मेल यू, लाइक यू कैन स्मेल मी. अभी जो मैंने मिराया का परफ्यूम लगाया है वो, बट मैं आपको स्मेल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट अप्लाइड द परफ्यूम. व्हेन यू अप्लाई, इट्स अ लाइफस्टाइल चेंज. ठीक है, पहले के लोग भी अत्तर यूज करते थे, ठीक है, एट द पल्स पॉइंट. वाई?
हाँ, in the hand used.
राइट, यहाँ यूज करते थे, उसको रब करते थे, कान के पीछे लगाते थे, नेक पे लगाते थे.
अच्छा.
Why? They wanted to feel good with themselves. They also wanted कि सामने वाले लोगों को भी अच्छा लगे.
But there may be other benefits also, because these were natural wells.
Right. There are benefits of attar more than what science has actually come up with. But like you said, if you do not use perfumes, I would say using perfume is a lifestyle change, just as changing your clothes and upgrading your cloth wardrobe is.
Okay.
So
Let's
I would
say,
recommend, if you do not use, you should buy one from me.
of course, I think you convinced me almost 90%, but
वो
10%
10%
I will
मैं
give.
आपको after the podcast convince कर लूंगी, don't worry.
Wonderful. Okay. So let's get into a little more about the markets of perfume in India. So I would start with what is the market size of perfume in India right now?
Right now, see, it is somewhere in between 3.8 billion to 5 billion
USD or rupees?
USD.
Okay.
ठीक है? And the market is growing by 15 to 20%. So
Oh,
by
year on
2030, year on year, it
Okay.
is, because like I said, आप perfumes नहीं use कर सकते हो, but perfumes is a lifestyle change which you should adapt to. आज जो आप क्लास 10-11 में कपड़े पहनते थे वो अब नहीं पहनते हो ना. You have shifted from normal t-shirts to polo t-shirts to casual shirts. Likewise, upgrading your perfume or coming from deodorants to perfume is also a lifestyle change. That comes with age. That
Right.
comes with, you know, that sophistication level अगर आप वो develop करना चाहते हैं, और that adaptation to that I want a new lifestyle, a changed lifestyle. See, लोगों का ना,
इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी भी कंट्री का बढ़ेगा तो पीपल विल यूज मोर परफ्यूम्स.
right, people will use more perfumes. Plus, I feel perfume in itself is a very personal thing. मैंने लगाया, मुझे अच्छा लगना चाहिए. आज आप लोगों को स्मेल, हम लोगों को स्मेल क्यों करवाते हैं परफ्यूम्स?
जो स्मेल आपको अच्छा लग रहा होगा वो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं भी लग सकता है.
नहीं भी लग सकता है. इट इज ऐसे लगाने से मुझे अच्छा फील हो रहा है. जैसे आई एम अ पर्सन हु विल स्प्रे ऐसे ऐसे पूरा ऐसे आधा बॉटल परफ्यूम की खत्म कर दो, वैसे मैं परफ्यूम लगाती हूँ. बट देयर आर पीपल हु यूज इट ओनली ऑन द पल्स पॉइंट्स और जस्ट ऑन सम पोर्शंस ऑफ देयर क्लोथ्स. इट इज अ लाइफस्टाइल चेंज, like I said, and because people have adapted to this, so the market is growing every year.
Okay.
And it will grow for sure.
And how is there any other innovations happening in the market? Like according to my research, I heard that one thing that is now in trending is the word skinification. It means that perfumes that has inbuilt skincare things or skincare benefits attached to the perfumes. If you are applying the perfume on your skin, then you are also taking care of your skin somehow. So is this there is any integration happening or there is any innovation happening in the market right now?
There is innovation happening each and every day with perfumes or with any other products in the market also. But I would say कि जो भाई ओरिजिनल है ना वो ओरिजिनल है. कितना भी बेनिफिट्स डाल दो, यू डू नॉट नो व्हाट केमिकल्स आर गोइंग इनटू दैट फॉर टू ट्रेड दैट बेनिफिट टू द कस्टमर. ठीक है. सो इनोवेशन इज हैपनिंग, इट इज वेरी गुड. बट जो ओरिजिनल है भाई वो तो ओरिजिनल ही है ना. मुझे परफ्यूम लेना है तो मैं परफ्यूम ही लूंगी. मुझे सनस्क्रीन लेना है तो मैं सनस्क्रीन ही लूंगी. मुझे सनस्क्रीन और परफ्यूम को मिक्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay. Means you think that this trend will not go on for long?
It will not go on for long. See, आजकल because of Instagram, because of other social media platforms only ना, जो एक बार वायरल हो जाता है वो वायरल हो जाता है. But you do not know that trend will stay in for how many days also. Months तो छोड़ दो, days also. There are people who become famous on Instagram, 6 महीने बाद आप देखो वो कहीं पे भी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. तो इट इज द सेम विथ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो ना. एक बार एक चीज वायरल चला गया, आप कितना दिन तक वो वायरल रहेगा या कोई और प्रोडक्ट आके उसकी जगह पे वायरल होके बूम हो जाएगा, वो आपको नहीं पता है. सो ऑल दीज आर टर्म्स which are coming new into the market. Maybe they are beneficial, maybe they will run very good in the market, but eventually it will fade away or maybe चल भी जाए. बट मैं जो ये प्रेफर करती हूँ कि भाई मुझे परफ्यूम लेना है तो मैं परफ्यूम ही लूंगी. मुझे स्किन बेनिफिट्स नहीं चाहिए मेरे परफ्यूम से.
मतलब एक बोतल में सब हो जाए वही
वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. मतलब साइंस कितना भी आगे बढ़ जाए, जो मम्मी के हाथ का खाना है वो मम्मी के हाथ का ही खाना है. वो मशीन से बनी रोटी का वो स्वाद नहीं है.
बिल्कुल. सो लेट मी आस्क यू कि what are the biggest players in perfume market at this point in India right now?
See, there is Skin, which is by Titan. There is Bella Vita,
okay,
which is there. There is Bombay Perfumery also.
Okay.
So these are the 3 brands which are doing very good in the market.
और एक्स का क्या हुआ? और
वो हवा के साथ आया, हवा के साथ चला गया.
और वो एक दूसरा बैंड जो फॉग, बहुत सारे
Fog.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट हम लोग देखे
Fog
थे.
तो अभी भी I think it is doing good itself.
Okay.
But I feel these are the three brands which are, capturing most of the customers in India.
And why are they capturing? How are they able to? They are
देखो,
doing mass appeal or
Skin by Titan is itself. Titan is a very big brand. Anything launched by a big brand will, लोग
more
यूज
visibility,
करेंगे because
of course.
ट्रस्ट है. ट्रस्ट है. आज कोई भी नया ब्रांड को डेवलप होने में क्यों इतना टाइम लगता है? वो ट्रस्ट. इट इज द ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस विच टेक्स टाइम. टाइटन हैज ऑलरेडी अ मार्केट शेयर. उन्होंने एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया, लोगों को ट्रस्ट है उस पर, वो यूज करेंगे ही उसको. बॉम्बे परफ्यूमरी इज यूजिंग यूनिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स एज फार एज आई नो अबाउट देम. एंड बेला विटा तो भाई एकदम मार्केट में बूम हुआ है. लोग हमारे परफ्यूम्स भी खरीदने आता है तो बोलते हैं बेला विटा तो इतना में मिल रहा है.
अच्छा.
मतलब भाई बेला विटा है, वो करोड़ों की पार्टी है. हमारा costing our costing will not match with them. Obviously,
Bella Vita is means mass production segment or mass market.
Segment plus they have mass production also. तो उनका cost ऐसे ही कम आ जाता है. We are not into as much mass production as they are doing because we are just a very small part of the market now, and they have a very good market share. तो उनका cost हमारा cost अलग है. Plus Bella Vita has also seen its struggling days.
Right.
They have also come up after, उनका struggle अलग था. They started from a small garage, then went on to kiosk in malls, and then becoming a big brand. So we are still in the base stage पे है. अभी हम लोग को वहाँ पहुँचने में time है.
But there are people are nowadays willing to experiment and try out new products, try out new brands. Because new brands are coming up with better qualities, maybe there is a huge.
Exactly.
They are trying to address the gaps in the market.
Exactly.
So that is what you are doing. Maybe you are trying to be a niche brand and fit in somewhere.
Because that is very much necessary. सब कोई 10,000 का परफ्यूम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है, एंड लोग 200-300 वाले परफ्यूम में जाना भी नहीं चाहते हैं.
और 10,000 वाले परफ्यूम में what is it very special? 10,000 वाला क्या है उसमें? Is it very hard to source the ingredient or what is it?
I would not comment much on it, but I think people who are brand conscious are brand conscious. They would use a particular brand only. So, which is okay. But that is only a very small share of the market. जो अपने brand को stick करना चाहते हैं.
But in terms of revenue, they are much
doing
more.
Good, obviously. मतलब 10,000 का परफ्यूम मैं एक बेच दूँ तो I'll be very happy.
Because the thing is कि अभी इंडिया में जो मैंने देखा है कि premium brands who are charging premium from the customers, maybe they are giving you the same perfume using the same ingredients but charging premium. So these premium brands are doing better in the market.
Obviously ना, मतलब अगर आप देखो maybe can be they are giving you the same perfume, but उससे एक brand name attached है जिससे बहुत सारे लोग attached है. तो ultimately it is getting more revenue share in the market.
So I'm trying to analyze more the psychology of the behavior of the customer. कि what is their thought process before?
See, for that you have to divide the market. ठीक है. एक है जो बहुत ब्रांड कॉन्शियस है, जिनको आपकी परफ्यूम पसंद भी आएगी तो वो नहीं लेंगे because you are not that known a brand as other people, other brands are. एक लोग हैं,
do they think like कि same product मिल रहा है फिर भी they trust more that brand?
Exactly, because they have been using it since years.
Okay.
And वो brand consciousness है दिमाग में. जैसे I am also very brand conscious regarding some things. I will not use other brands. So likewise it is for other people for perfumes also, right? But आपको मार्केट को डिवाइड करना है. आपको पता होना चाहिए आपका टारगेट कस्टमर कौन है. आपका टारगेट कस्टमर है जो लोग नया चीज ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, who do not worry to experience new things. कि भाई लेके तो देखते हैं चलता है कि नहीं चलता है. एंड वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस कि जो लोग इस थॉट के साथ लेके जा रहे हैं ना कि व्हाई नॉट ट्राई वंस.
एंड व्हाट इज द एज ग्रुप ऑफ दैट सेगमेंट हु आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपेरिमेंट? देयर
इट इज 20 to 30 years. जो उस गैप में है ना, यंग पॉपुलेशन, दे आर रेडी टू ट्राई. बिकॉज देखिए उनकी साइकोलॉजी वैसी है ना कि जो ट्रेंड कर रहा है, जो नया मार्केट में आ रहा है, वो हम
They're
देखेंगे.
trying to try out new things.
It is a good thing also. If you see कि भाई जो भी नए ब्रांड्स आ रहे हैं उनको एक चांस मिल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
बट एक खराब चीज भी है that they are switching too fast to other brands. So there are
brand
two,
loyalty अभी थोड़ा
brand loyalty नहीं है. There are two sides of the coin to these
because
part of
they
the
are
customer.
very young generation, they are very conscious about कि क्या ingredient use हो रहा है, कि किसी ने अगर behavior खराब कर दिया तो उसके उधर नहीं जाऊंगा. They are very conscious
Because
of this.
awareness है ना. There is awareness in the market. आज जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स जो है वो जब मार्केट में जाते थे तो I had seen my father buying a same perfume for years. ठीक है, so that is brand loyalty. They did not switch. But अगर आज अगर आप देखोगे तो people switch like anything. So इसीलिए भी ना मार्केट कैप्चर करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट.
Is that limited to perfumes only?
No. You would know it more. Being in that age group.
No,
I have surpassed that age.
I have also surpassed that.
But it is I think brand loyalty अभी आप लोगों से expect नहीं कर सकते until unless you keep evolving.
Right.
आप कुछ नया ला रहे हो जो उनको इंटरेस्ट कर रहा है, या तो आप केटर कर रहे हो जो उनकी नीड्स है. जैसे लोग अवेयर है कि परफ्यूम में ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स होने चाहिए, इससे ज्यादा या ये केमिकल है तो इट इज हार्मफुल.
राइट. पीपल
आर अवेयर. People are checking the ingredients.
Mainly the young people are very much aware. And
they are very much aware because Instagram उनको aware कर रहा है ना. But उसका भी एक गलत जगह है. You do not know whom to trust. ये बोल रहा है इसमें ये चीज गलत है.
That's why they are always confused कि they keep switching.
Exactly. तो for a brand, it is very important that you keep evolving with the mindset of the people.
Right.
So that you cater to the mass. आपको तो भाई रेवेन्यू लाना है ना, आपने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट ईदर यू आर अ क्लास ब्रांड और अ मास ब्रांड और समवेयर इन बिटवीन जहां आप इवॉल्व हो रहे हो.
That's an interesting point. So Gunjan ji, I want to ask you, is there any brand that has inspired you or any story that has inspired you or any brand story you want to share that strikes out to you?
सी मुझे ना ब्रांड्स इंस्पायर नहीं करते, मुझे लोग इंस्पायर करते हैं. एंड यू नो लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगनिंग कि आई हैड मेट विथ अ पर्सन एंड उन्होंने मुझे बताया एंड दैट मेड मी टू स्टार्ट दिस ब्रांड. तो जब आप देखते हो ना कि लोग स्ट्रगल करके आगे बढ़ते हैं, दैट इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. एंड दैट इज वॉट कीप्स यू गोइंग बिकॉज यू नो कि आप हार्डवर्क करोगे तो आज नहीं तो कल आपको उसका फ्रूट्स मिलने ही वाला है.
Right.
कभी खट्टा मिलेगा, कभी मीठा मिलेगा, बट फल तो मिलने वाला है आपको. तो दैट इज यू नो I see people every day struggling with many things in their life. People who look good, maybe are rich enough, have other struggles in life. Middle class people have other struggles in life. So it is not a particular brand or a particular person that inspires me. I observe people. I learn from them. I see their struggle. I see how they come out of their struggle. And that is what inspires me to keep going with my brand. Wow. That is my full day inspiration.
Any specific story you want to share which inspired you? Or made you think twice?
Maybe not a story that made me to build this brand, but a story that keeps me going and work hard for this brand is my father. I lost my father just before my wedding, but
I know.
Yeah. So just, you know, he was a person who had worked very hard for his business. I had seen him struggle since years and then reach a particular level जहाँ पे वो you know सबके wishes fulfill कर पाए. I had seen him struggling that hard, working that hard, and my mother supporting him in this journey by taking care of the house, us, and everything. So वो hard work ना मुझे inspire करता है.
Right.
कि कभी ना कभी तो फल मिलेगा ही इसका. सो कीप वर्किंग हार्ड एंड आई फील इट इज योर इंटेंशन इन डूइंग समथिंग विच विल हेल्प यू टू रीच दैट पर्टिकुलर लेवल.
So you come from that kind of background. You have seen your father.
I have seen my father working hard. I have seen my mother working hard in the home. मुझे पढ़ाया, मेरे भाई को पढ़ाया, दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. आई थिंक कि एजुकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एजुकेशन विथ इंटेंशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Very true.
कि आप सिखा रहे हो कि आपको लाइफ में किस पाथ में जाना है. बिकॉज एट दिस एज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू माई मदर फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, बट शी हैज बिल्ट माई फाउंडेशन
Right.
कि बेटा हार्डवर्क तो करना ही है, बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. सो दैट इज वॉट कीप्स मी गोइंग. एंड लाइक आई सेड, इंटेंशन. आप कोई भी चीज विद गुड इंटेंशन करते हो ना, आई फील इट गिव्स यू गुड रिजल्ट्स.
Yes, at the end of the day, if your intentions are good, so it will
Exactly.
somehow reciprocate.
एग्जैक्टली. बट इफ यू डू इट समथिंग विद इंटेंशन, अगर मैं आज ये ब्रांड स्टार्ट करूँ ओनली विद द इंटेंशन कि नहीं भाई मुझे तो पैसा ही कमाना है, सामने वाले को जो हो वो हो,
Then brand टिकेगा नहीं और वो कस्टमर भी
तो
ज्यादा दिन
ट्रस्ट नहीं आएगा ना
trust
लोगों
नहीं
को मुझ पे. तो दैट इंटेंशन इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ
बिल्कुल.
एनीथिंग.
Intention comes from what kind of person you are.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचिंग्स यू हैव. आपको बचपन में क्या सिखाया गया है.
Right.
आपको सिखाया गया है भाई बैठ के मजा करो, तो आप बैठ के मजा ही करोगे. आपको सिखाया गया है नहीं, हार्डवर्क करो, गुड इंटेंशन रखो.
Wonderful.
Do not step back from anything. If you have started something, go on with it. That is what I feel.
Wonderful. Beautiful. So any perfume brand from India, an Indian brand made in India, you see that it may become an international brand or it has a huge upside potential, because most of the biggest perfume brands in the world are mostly foreign brands. Indian brands are big enough but not in par
Correct.
with the international brands.
Correct,
Do you
correct.
see
See-
any Indian brand
See,
in
I would
particular?
not name any specific Indian brand seeing the market as of now, because बहुत changing है market. Almost in every 2-3 months a new brand is coming up for
हाँ.
perfumes. So कब कौन सी वायरल होके या कब कौन सा एकदम
गिर
परफेक्ट फॉर्मूला कंसंट्रेशन के साथ आ जाएगा एंड इट वुड गो outside India to make its own path,
जाए.
we do not know. So I would not name any brand here, but I also would not want कि कोई इंडियन ब्रांड ऐसे बाहर जाके अपना पाथ बनाए. भाई इंडिया में इतना पॉपुलेशन है, इन्हीं को सर्व कर दो,
No,
बेस्ट
I
है.
mean कि if after you have served the Indian population,
I do not think why go foreign.
my point is that because foreign brands, there is a mindset in India still.
Right.
That mindset is
there.
there. If it is coming from the West or coming from outside of India, then it is a very premium product. So that's where the premium mindset comes from. So a foreign brand will naturally be premium.
हाँ,
They
वो
won't have to fit in somewhere.
They don't. I think Indians do not question foreign brands.
Exactly.
जितना
Whatever
questions,
kind
हाँ.
of ingredients they are using doesn't matter.
Right. We do not even check. I feel we do not even check. वो जो 10,000 का परफ्यूम जा रहा है ना, उसका कोई इंग्रेडिएंट चेक नहीं करता है.
वही जैसे इंडिया का कोई ब्रांड हो गया, if they have to stand out, then they have to keep on saying this ingredient, that ingredient.
Exactly.
But when it comes from foreign, suddenly you don't check the ingredients.
Because that is the
and you become.
psychology that we have been fed with.
That's why I feel that it is important for Indian brands to dominate in the international markets as well.
But I ask you a question here कि जैसे हम लोग परसीव करते हैं फॉरेन ब्रांड्स को,
Right.
in that same way will the foreigners view a Indian brand? I do not
That
think
is
so.
the mindset we need to change, because
हाँ,
see,
exactly.
India has been projected as a third world country for a long time,
Long
which
time.
it is not, right? But from there only, because international media channels, they have invested a lot of money to project to make themselves look like it is the pinnacle of civilization.
But this is I think coming from the time of independence. I think
Yes, it
कि
is coming
foreigners, Britishers, हम लोग एकदम ऐसे high class.
from-
They may
from
be
there
they.
only
This
our-
psychology has started.
This psychology has started. Our clothing has changed. Our lifestyle has changed, and that's why I think that see what they are doing. They are stealing ideas from India. They are sourcing products. They are sourcing artists from India and launching it outside and becoming a big band. And then they are launching. Then they are bringing it back to India and they are
Selling
showing
it for
it
a
like
higher
they
price,
have
or
selling it for a higher price, and they're showing it like they are
right.
the
But that is what I feel now. There is I think a there's no need for the Indian brands to go out and project themselves, because I feel कि foreigners उस तरीके से Indian brand को perceive नहीं करेंगे,
नहीं करेंगे, नहीं
बट
change
इंडियंस
करना
उनको
चाहिए।
परसीव करेंगे कि अरे ये ब्रांड तो आउटसाइड इंडिया भी सेल होता है, तो ये अच्छा ही होगा,
Exactly,
कुछ
वही,
ये कुछ अच्छा ही
that
होगा.
mindset.
But that I feel that is what needs to change, and that is what I think is changing also.
Right.
Since I said कि जो 20 to 30 years का जो एज वाले लोग हैं, they are ready to try new brands, Indian brands, and they feel proud when they are using an Indian brand.
Right.
कि homegrown brand,
Homegrown brand. हाँ.
homegrown brand
This
है.
new term has come.
Yeah,
up,
because I see many people when they post stories with our brands or any other brand also, which we put up in exhibitions. There are many brands which are homegrown brands and who are only running business online. I see people flaunting this,
Right.
that they have got from an Indian brand. या ये homegrown brand है, या supporting small businesses, या hashtag small businesses.
Right.
So this psychology is somewhere changing.
But not at the pace.
Not at the mass
I
level,
would
it is
expect,
not
yeah.
changing, because देखो, we still have a population which is in the age group of 40 to 50 to 60 years. तो अभी उनका mindset है, but as the people who are in this generation, they are growing up ना, ये psychology अपने आप ही change हो जाएगी.
बिल्कुल,
People
और
will
होना भी
switch
चाहिए।
to, right, why will I buy the same perfume for 10,000 if I'm getting it for 2,000?
हाँ, the same thing, the same ingredient,
Exactly.
just they because of the name,
Name.
because of the foreign name.
Right, right.
It is
Why
selling.
will I buy? Why will I not support someone? Because देखो, जब मैंने ये ब्रांड स्टार्ट किया ना, तब मुझे भी उतनी ये सब चीज़ की नॉलेज नहीं थी. तब I also used to stick to some brands, but then I felt why not try new brands.
Right.
So this psychology, I think, would change in the coming 5 to 10 years.
Wow, that's exactly what I want. I want Indian businesses to
Yeah,
grow.
because we have the raw materials, we have the minds.
Exactly, we have the manpower, we
Exactly.
have everything in our country.
And Indians, I would say, why do foreign companies want to employ Indian people? Because they know these people are hardworking.
Right, they come from the roots, they
Exactly. Because we have been taught that कि आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो भाई आपको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है.
know. बिल्कुल.
But वहाँ पे ना, जैसे I know the corporate culture there, if it is 9 to 5, it is 9 to 5 only. People will log off at 5 o'clock.
Right.
बट अगर आप वहाँ भी जो इंडियंस काम कर रहे हैं, यूएस या यूके या कहीं आउटसाइड इंडिया की कंपनीज में काम कर रहे हैं, यू विल सी देम स्लॉगिंग टिल 10 o'clock at night.
बट इंडिया में तो ये सब आप बोल नहीं सकते.
Exactly.
Weekends also you
Weekends
have to
also
work.
we are working. So that, since we have the raw materials, the minds, the hard work, why not build something in India and make it a big brand in India itself?
Since you spoke about the corporate thing, then should I bring up something controversial?
Let's not get into that.
Then you know what I am.
Let's not get into that.
Okay. So I want to ask you, what sets your brand apart? What sets you apart?
See, जो भी ये
If you can sum it up in 2-3 points, in very short points.
Miraya is my brand. That what sets it apart.
Okay.
It is my brand. I work very hard for my brand to make it marketable, to make it likable to people. And that whatever I say for my brand, for the ingredients which I use, for the oil concentration percentage which I use, is true.
Okay.
I am nowhere trying to market my product for what it is not. And we do not say that we have made the perfect product for you. We would say we would like your recommendations and feedback to make it a better product for the customers.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes.
Nice. So how do you like to scale your brand? At this point, you are a very new brand, I can understand. But in the future, you have any vision, or you have any plans that you want to open physical stores or whatever your plans are?
Physical store opening would be in the pipeline, but that would take time. I would like to open a physical store only after, there's a brand recall value.
Okay. Great.
That is sure in the pipeline, but we are not targeting that as of now.
Okay. So, of course, you have to open a physical store at some point. after a few years maybe, but online you start, it is very
But the online market, I feel, is growing day by day. But
it's
especially
growing.
for perfumes, it is a little difficult because there are still some people who would like to try and
Try,
then
exactly.
and
That's
then
what I
buy.
wanted to say.
But yes, physical stores is not the target as of now, but it is there,
But
for
it is
sure.
tough to communicate a smell through a social media post.
Right.
But you can just describe it through
Right.
words.
That is where the face value of the people associated with the brand comes into picture.
Right. Wow, beautiful, nice talking to you. And next question I want to ask you, ki, what is your vision that how the perfume market may evolve in India? Any innovations you see in the recent future, or how the market will grow in the future? What do you think?
I feel perfumes should remain as perfumes only.
Okay.
Let us
What
not
do you mean by that?
like you mentioned, skinification is coming into picture.
Okay,
I
they are
would-
trying to integrate something
Right.
else.
I would not want two products getting integrated into one and use that. I as a customer would not like that.
Okay.
I as a person associated with a brand would obviously like to explore that. But I feel perfume should stay as a perfume only.
Right.
Why innovate? Yeah, there can be variations to this, but not innovations into merging two products into one. I do not feel that would.
And
I do not feel that would work. It is a
Okay.
lifestyle product. Let it stay as a lifestyle product. Why merge it with skincare?
Right.
Skincare का अपना market segment है, उसको रहने दो वहीं पे. क्यों mix करना है दोनों को?
So I want to ask you, what are the some notes or perfumes or ingredients which are hard to source in India and which have a very huge potential in Indian market and very hard to source?
I feel luxury floral is very hard to source.
How is it extracted, or how is the raw material prepared? Do you know?
Luxury, I would say, floral fragrances, floral oils are available in the market, in Indian market itself. But luxury jo floral hai na, that is a little hard to procure in India.
Okay.
Plus musk.
What
musk-
is that?
Musk is a very strong fragrance. That is a particular type of fragrance. But musk is a little difficult to procure. And oud.
How the floral बोल दिया आपने कि floral
Luxury
is extracted from flowers,
Luxury
right?
floral, हाँ.
From flowers. And musk, what is the raw material from which, do you know?
It is musk. It is a bark.
Okay, bark of a tree? Or,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. And this one, what you have said?
Oud.
Oud.
Oud is also related to that
oud,
bark.
I have heard
Oud
a lot
is
of it.
basically in Dubai, UAE.
What
and
is that exactly?
It is a woody smell hota hai uska, oud
Acha,
ka. It is a
okay.
woody smell. So it is very preferable for night parties and people, very, there's a particular segment of people who like the oud fragrance.
So oud में भी different notes है क्या?
No, oud is oud only.
Okay.
There is no notes. You can mix other fake, notes with it, but
Oud is only oud.
oud is only oud. And अगर आप कोई भी oud perfume use करोगे ना, आपको smell oud की ही आएगी, whatever you mix with it.
Okay, got it. So among this mass market segment and then mid range आ गया जहाँ पे आप हो mid range, then आ गया luxury, premium, then आ गया ultra premium, बहुत very costly. So where do you see opportunities right now? If any new brand starts at this point, where do you see opportunities?
It's the mid-range only, bridging the gap in between the,
Okay.
a little less expensive perfumes and very expensive perfumes. Because like I said, look switch karte hain bahut jaldi. You would not want to spend 10,000 for a perfume which you are going to switch. Right? That is for the little elder age group.
Okay.
Okay. So the bridging the gap is very important for the perfume industry as of now.
So the rest of the segments are very much congested, you would say?
Yeah, it is there. Perfume is also congested. It is not that it is not congested.
Okay.
You have to make your stand. Everything is congested. Wherever you go, there's a rat race going on. You have to, step your foot inside and keep running and run to a stage where there are very few people.
Right. That's an interesting point. So one thing that I saw that northern part of the India, purchases most perfumes. In southern part of India uses very less perfumes. Why is that? Do you have any idea about it?
Because it is mostly because of the weather that is there. Like if you see
Okay.
in West Bengal, people sweat a lot. The weather conditions are very humid.
Right.
Whereas if you go towards Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, the weather there is, you would not sweat a lot, but it is जो लू बोलते हैं हम लोग, लू वाली हवा चलती है वहाँ पे. So the purchases mostly for perfumes or any fragrances are in that part of the country. But now that psychology is also changing.
No, बिल्कुल, because
people
weather,
everywhere are, like I said, people are going with the trends which are there in Instagram. So अगर परफ्यूम चल रहा है तो लोग परफ्यूम खरीद रहे हैं. अगर कोई छोटा सा, like I saw in Instagram a few days back, there was a product, a Shinchan, which is walking around the table on its own. You
Okay.
switch it on and it is going around the table. So people are buying that. So because abhi apna, the markets have become very unpredictable. You can predict market for your product, but वो कोई खरीदेगा या नहीं उसकी predictability नहीं है.
this actually happens when there are a lot of innovations going on and the market
Innovations
is very
plus
growing.
people are confused.
People are confused because people are seeing a lot of things.
Exactly.
ये अच्छा होगा कि ये अच्छा होगा, 10 चीजें
Awareness
ट्राई
भी
कर लेता
बहुत
हूँ.
है, अवेयरनेस भी बहुत है, बट अवेयरनेस के साथ साथ उस
Confusion भी आता
अवेयरनेस
है.
के साथ साथ कंफ्यूजन भी आता है, बिकॉज देयर आर टू मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स केटरिंग टू दैट नीड.
These statistics was surprising to me that northern part of India consumes more perfume than the southern
It's
part.
mostly because of the weather conditions.
But the southern India is also very hot and
it is very hot, but they stick to their roots. They would prefer attar over perfumes.
my kind of people.
So we are catering to all. We are coming up with attars also.
It's interesting to see that how different regions of people think differently in not just in so minute the details are. See, what kind of fragrances they use. It is very surprising that northern part of India, the most of the sales in India comes from northern part, not from the southern part. So
But
yeah.
that's where the diversity of India comes in, no? That is why I said, why would an Indian brand want to go and launch outside of India? There are diverse people here. Why not launch here and
exactly.
get into different fragrances and cater to the psychology or the fragrance preference of all regions of
Right,
India.
right.
Why will I go out? I will not prefer to go out of India.
So that
मैं-
means it opens up an opportunity in the southern part of India, right?
मैं ये सोचूंगी ना कि सदर्न पार्ट वाले लोग क्या ज्यादा प्रेफर कर रहे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर कंडीशंस देयर. ईस्टर्न साइड वाले क्या सोच रहे हैं, वेस्टर्न साइड वाले क्या सोच रहे हैं. लद्दाख कश्मीर में तो जरूरत ही नहीं है, वहां तो गर्मी नहीं होती.
Wonderful. Such a very wonderful point that you have mentioned, that it opens up. It is not a
Right.
limitation, but it
Right.
opens up a
बिकॉज
opportunity.
इंडिया इज अ डाइवर्सिफाइड कंट्री. हर 5 से 10 किलोमीटर में यहाँ लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है, प्रेफरेंसेस भी चेंज होते ही हैं. आप मार्केट रिसर्च करो,
बिल्कुल.
यू गेट इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर running in all parts of India. So there's lots of opportunity in India, I would say.
Wonderful. And huge population.
Huge population.
Customer की कोई कमी नहीं.
कमी नहीं है. आप cater करते हैं तो needs change होती रहती है as per the age group.
Wonderful. So it's been a very wonderful podcast and such a wonderful time with you and your warmth and how you explained all the things. Very wonderful to have you on our podcast, and I thank you to come to make out time and come to our podcast.
Thank
anything
you so
you
much.
want to mention, anything you want
Specifically,
to say to our viewers?
I would first of all say, thank you for having me here. It was great having that conversation with you. बहुत सारी चीज़ थी जो हम लोग कस्टमर से बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो हम लोग पहुंचा नहीं पाते हैं to the customers.
हाँ.
By way of this podcast, by way of having this conversation with you, maybe we'll reach out to them also.
Right. Of
This
course.
is a very beautiful way, and like I said कि लोगों के पास अवेयरनेस है, लोगों के पास इंफॉर्मेशन भी है. So this in a way would serve as an information for our audience also.
Right.
कि it is and I think casual conversations go a long way.
Right. Exactly.
When you speak about your brand, it is very necessary that you be truthful about it. And casual conversations ही truth
ट्रूथफुल होती है
truthful
बिल्कुल
hoti hai. So it's great being here, great having you, great asking you so many questions, researching about the perfume industry. It is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you again. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. See you
Bye
again.
bye. See you everyone.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. Now you have two things to do. First, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me create more such content. And second, share it with someone you know, someone who may need to hear to this. Goodbye and see you in the next podcast. Thank you.